Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's uncover the term hinder. It might not be as familiar, but there's more to this word. Let's navigate through its meanings and potential uses. Meaning. So, hinder isn't a widely recognized term in English. If it's a name or term specific to a certain context or language, it would be great to know more about its origin or usage. Without specific information, it's challenging to provide a detailed exploration. If hinder holds significance for you, feel free to share more details, and let's dive into its world. Usage. Understanding the usage of hinder depends on its context. Whether it's a name, a word in a specific language, or related to a particular field or culture. Examples. If there are examples or specific instances related to hinder that you'd like to explore, please provide more information, and we can delve deeper into its meaning and uses. Pronunciation. If there's a preferred pronunciation for hinder or any related nuances, it would be helpful to know to capture the essence of the term accurately. Different uses. Without more context, it's challenging to identify different uses of hinder. If there are variations or specific contexts you have in mind, let me know, and we can explore further. Conclusion. If hinder sparks your curiosity or holds personal significance, consider sharing more details. It could be a unique term with a rich background waiting to be explored. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.